Wow.
I mean, I hate this day. I hate this day. And them don't hear half of it.
Look at man.
Half of it.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Bye. Love you. Have a great day. Careful, Ozzy. Say bye to Ivy.
Bye, Ivy.
Love you, Alice. Have a great day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just finished the gym and I literally came to get a coffee and I saw this couple and a little baby and I was like, oh my God, I know them. When I looked, it was Errol and Swaggy from Life with the Stevens and their little baby Mila, who is so beautiful, and we've never really like properly met. And I stopped my car and I said, hi guys, and they were like, we were wondering if we would see you here. And I was like, let me get parked, and we got a chance to talk and take a picture. And guys, bare cold bump did I wash me even now, because their energy was just so beautiful. It was so genuine. It was so authentic, just like you see, and it was really, really nice to talk to them. Sorry, I'm talking funny. The retainer is in my mouth. But I have to say, when you see people on YouTube or on television or in movies, I don't know, and, you always feel a little nervous when you're going to meet them in real life, because you're like, man, I don't want to shatter what I think I know. And it's always nice when who you meet is what you see all the time. No, that's not always possible, because people do have bad days. People aren't always on. And yeah, it's not always possible. So I'm always like, also we have to have grace for each other. But energy is something that you can't fake. And they have such great energy. and we just kept getting goose pimples, like just talking to each other and sharing stories and what it's like to be a YouTube family, and what it means for our children, and how our kids love watching the vlog of their own selves. And it was just a lovely encounter. And I'm really, really glad that I got to meet them both, and Mila. So all three, the boys obviously were at school. So yeah, really nice. It was a lovely start to the day, and that just set me off on a good energetic high. So happy for that. All right, I am about to go home to go and check on what's happening with construction. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and check what's going on. Sorry, I just took out my retainer because I'm about to have a little coffee. And hopefully we are getting somewhere today with this wardrobe. There was a little configuration issue that we figured out yesterday. So today we're hoping to actually put it into action and see how it goes. So yeah, big up to Mr. Sanchez and his whole team at Best Joints and Finishes, because they really do such a wonderful job. And they're so calm, cool and collected, and I love that, because when you're trying to figure out problems and you're trying to create solutions, you have to be calm. I love that. Let me go do that, and let's see what happens today. I will be kidding my teeth all day long. Bye.
Tamar.
Wait, Namar.
What you say?
Oh my God, guess what? I just met Errol and Swaggy, Life with the Stevens. They're so nice.
Yeah.
Just set a biggie up.
Ja. I should have did this time.
I know, I wasn't so good at vlogging, like immediately. Shame.
Yeah.
Like pick up the camera, so I did a little thing.
You vlogged them?
Just a little.
You catch them?
Yeah, but I showed it already.
Oh, murder.
Yeah. And we got a picture. Hold on, let me show you.
And I have to ask them, are you okay with being on YouTube?
Yeah, I know, right? Look.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
What should the baby there with them?
Yes, she's
And the
sweet.
boys them at school.
The
other
boys at
them.
school, but she is just a dolly baby.
Yeah.
She's just sweet and she was smiling with me.
Nice,
Really
yeah.
great people.
Yeah,
really
man,
great
no, man,
people.
Errol. Big up Errol, you know. I'm a baller, you know. Top
Yeah.
baller,
No,
but
I
I feel
know.
like saying I'm a joke baller,
I
you know.
know,
And
I
a scrimmage
know.
baller, you know.
I know.
International, you know.
I know.
Jamaican national.
And him can teach you for buy a house.
Yeah, man, no,
I'm
no,
a
no.
normal guy, trust me.
Top. Yeah. I mean, big
We
up Swanky
exchange
on the
numbers
island.
and everything, so because I was like, we have to keep in touch.
Yeah.
Good people.
So what else are going? How was the gym?
Gym was good.
The gym outfit look up though, man. Gym
Gym
body.
girls always do this. Maureen, you see that pose there? Watch it now. What else? It's Thursday already, which means it's Friday where you are. I don't know where the month is running off though. We didn't even buy a TV.
Yo,
We didn't even buy a TV for the room.
I really talk, you know.
Yeah.
Tami, the retainer
So-
me can't talk like suffering fuckatage.
You know, say you wicked. You're judgy. Before you build me up, you break me down.
No, man, I build you up, man.
Man
That's
tell me
cool,
say I
man.
have a speech impediment. You're wicked.
Yeah.
Man.
Gia, what going? Yeah, dude, me G.
There, man.
Everybody was asking about Gio's interview. It was so
Gia, yeah, the ER interview. It's on Instagram. Go check out Entertainment Report on Instagram. No for not supposed to follow the account. The Big Anthony Miller show, you know, over the years, big year-to-year show that. Go check out Gio feature on there. Nice
So
interview.
good. So
Yeah, man.
good. You're gonna be proud.
I'm proud of him. He represent himself very well. No lie. Big up yourself, my G. You know the music I make today?
Yeah, man, I'm going to circle them, so.
Cha, you know, some of forward that studio with you. But guess what? No, we have vlog today. Why we figure it out still? Because at time now, I forward back in the studio and get some good music out there for my real true fans them where follow my career from them time they tell now. You know me do my thing, you know, when me drop, you know. And I'm not normal, you know. Watch, just watch you go on. Just watch you go on. Think of chattings. So Tami, you know, say me as a man, me not to go up and scale for fun. Right? And me I say, you know what? Oh, them jeans that will fit me snug over the years. I fit me so baggy.
Oh man.
And me I say, no man, something I go on. Everywhere I go, people I say, youth, I walk one. Yeah, take the something. And me I say, no.
Take the something. What's the
And me I
something?
say, you know what? So I go up on the scale, people. I say, I wait where a years me not see them wait there. People, I feel so good with myself and know say, alright, any day, name day, I get mad and stay and lick your Ozempic, man. I run them off the runway. Run them off the runway. Alone, flesh and bone alone, and I go see. My jawbone are coming, son. Remember me tell you people, yo, it feel good when you do it the right way though. Me not like from one day I cut back on certain urge. Me not eat out of proportion or more than you understand? Lifestyle.
Here, Momo a while ago I said this. Ivy, time to go bed. No. Ivy, time to go bed. No. So she just has her on the back. We just hear Maureen in the middle of the day and go, Ivy, time to bed. No.
I follow the boys them and I get rude. She need to stop and see what spoiler there.
No, the worst part is
You
that.
and that one do with this. So what's your hairdresser? What's your hairdresser?
The worst part is that the vlog don't see how faced Ozzy is. And how when Ozzy has faced himself with me when I check out stuff from him now. You know what? I don't even like your cooking. I'm like Ozzy. That's so mean.
Wow.
I mean, I hate this day. I hate this day. And them don't hear half of it.
Look at man.
Half of it.
Look at man.
Yeah.
Atlas and Azibine and Ivy. So she love Ivy and Atlas too. And he say, Atlas, you don't know who is Atlas.
Yeah.
You don't know who is Atlas.
Them don't know Ozzy.
They don't know
Who
them.
is Ozzy?
Them don't know say Ozzy bad.
Yes.
Trouble.
Ozzy's had Ozzy, him look sweet and cute. When him sweet and cute, him sweet and cute.
Say me if you kiss them, she'll look for me kiss them on the flag. But when me come, me reach a school, them gone to school when me reach a work. So
Yeah.
forgive me. Me kiss them still.
No, man.
But you know, see off the
When
camera.
Ozzy I scream after me and I say, "This is my worst day."
Yes.
Here Ozzy the other day, I hate this life.
I hate
You
this
say
life.
Ozzy, no matter with that.
I want to leave here right
I want to
now.
leave. Yeah,
Now.
yeah. Why Atlas have to be here? Atlas, I
Dennis
said,
the
why
Menace,
Ozzy have to bump me? I said, one too terrible,
Hear
man.
things,
They messing up
people.
the heads.
No.
Watch out. Look how my jeans them baggy for me.
Watch out.
Peer room in our jeans. And last year them jeans are fit tight.
You look, it's a big jeans are weird.
Alright, big jeans are wearing so it's not that bad. More time I go to her, I still kind of look like a fashionable.
True.
I'm if I tell you my belt have a some loop where my belt I use right now.
Tight. Jeez,
My belt I use some loop right now we never know about.
And the pickleball, you know?
Yeah.
My God. I think I should start. Oh, guys, Jamaica is hot. I know the world is hot.
You know, say summer officially chippy now.
And when we still don't have solar, that burned me.
Not true.
That burned
The
me.
amount of energy right now, every solar owner say, yo.
And let me say something, guys. You know what is expensive? You know, is the batteries. But when I had a thought today, even if we get the panels and just even can turn on the AC in the day, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just to be off of the grid in the day. I don't know. And we need to figure it out. We really need to figure it out.
Factually speaking.
We literally just had a meeting between us while we ate. About
Meeting without the M.
meeting, MEATING. We had a meeting, you know, because, you know, we're just talking about some things that we're trying to accomplish next year and trying to figure out how we're going to do it and how we're going to, you know, just rework certain things. And it's one of those things where it's like, you know, you're dreaming, but it can feel daunting. The other day I didn't tell everybody when I went to go and buy paint that we needed 4 5-gallons, so that's 20 gallons. But 1 5-gallon is like upwards of $20,000. People will tell you, my hand tremble when I pay for it because I'm like, I just couldn't bring myself to buying the 4 one time, so I split it up into 2. Even though I know I'm gonna spend it anyway, you know. But there's something psychologically where I'm like, just buy 2 now. I mean, I'm sure other people do it too. I don't think we're unique in any way. But what I don't think people realize is how alike we are. That we two are like, no sir, me can't buy it one time.
Who is going to tell the kids then, don't rush to be adults? Enjoy your childhood. Enjoy being a kid, because we say life is life in. Remember me tell you.
Yeah, really.
There's so many moving parts once you become an adult. Then when you have kids, it goes up another notch. And it's just one of those things, you know, that it just keeps on keeping on. And it's a good thing that we are designed to be resilient. And we're designed to adapt to situations.
Yeah.
Right?
But this thing is like, it's no joke. You know. But something I've learned in our life, and what our life has taught us, is that we are going to find a way to figure it out.
Yeah.
And there have been times when we've had to operate on a little, and there are times when where we've lived in surplus, and it's understanding how feast and famine work, and just making it work, picking up the slack where you can, pushing hard when you can, reserving where you can, the whole of it, you know. It's very interesting being a creative and an entrepreneur, and you know, we don't have what's it called, typical jobs. And so
exactly, it's interesting, you know, because Dane and Crawford said something on the cut months ago when I spoke to him, and it stuck with me a little way. As he said, school is not about, is less about what you learn, but more about teaching you how to learn.
That's what it should be about. That's what school really should be about.
It really is about that, you know. Because once you go through it, you don't have to be at the top of your class to succeed in life.
But technically, schools aren't really teaching you how to learn.
Yeah.
They're teaching, meaning, to me, a school should teach you how to learn, which means you need to give me multiple ways to learn.
Right, but the reality is I'm not using algebra, trigonometry, or geometry in my everyday life. But I have to learn to adapt to situations that life throws at me. So you're right. You're right. And he was right. You know? It's really how to learn, because you have to adapt in this moving, ever-changing world. You're going to jump into a job that you're going to have to learn the job on the job. And if your mind not understand how to learn, you're stuck. Life is like riding a bicycle. If you stop moving, you're gonna fall off.
But the greatest thing is that our superpower is our ability to learn. And I'll leave you with that nugget.
No, take it and chug it. I'm good. Sorry. Yeah, man, I'm good, fine. She run to me and jump in my arms, Tami.
You were so happy to see your dad?
Yes.
That's awesome, baby.
Lungu.
Love you.
Say I love you, mommy. Say I love you, mommy.
Put on your seatbelt. You want your water? That's yours. What do you say?
Hold it properly.
Thank you.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, love you. Love you, boo boo.
Okay, guys, a little update. So the matter of La Debola Suite was called up in MTM court. And the verdict came back from the MTM jury that we were both wrong, and I stand corrected.
What?
We were both guilty of thinking we were right when we were wrong. It is La Debola Suite till. And that makes a lot of sense.
It does.
The Bola Suite until it itch up. Yeah.
But I still refuse to believe about Batty and Bench.
Tell me that don't even have to go on a court, Bridget. That don't even have to go to court, my G. Leave it alone, my G.
People who thought it was Batty and Bench.
Leave it
So the
alone.
jury split.
Leave it alone.
Oh, baby. Pick a ball, baby, like that.
Yeah, alright. Man, find it. Let's go on for what I want.
We are twin on the court, no?
I cannot believe I ordered the exact same shoes that your dad had.
You never even know.
I didn't know. I went online and I found a pair of shoes and I was like, okay, these look good. And then as soon as I came off, I was like, hold on. These are the same shoes I just bought.
That's
like I saw them. That's God. Why the place is like we get somewhere and then it just turns into like a madhouse again. The mess, the confusion, the construction. Oh my God. But there's progress. So we have to be grateful, but I'm not lying. My head is slightly hurting me right now.
Alright, MTM fam, you don't know. Thanks for keeping it real with us for another week. Have a good weekend. May all of your endeavors and weekend plans come to pass.
I have to go and cook.
Safely. We will see you again on Monday. Big up on yourself.
Hi guys. Pray for us.